Assalamu alaikum. How is everyone doing today? Today we will be making Palak Kheema. This is spinach with ground meat. So let's go see all the ingredients what we need to make this dish. It's very easy. It's very simple. It cooks very fast. So okay, we have 1 pound of organic spinach, washed, cleaned and chopped really fine. And I have 1 pound of ground meat and 1 medium size of onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1 small green pepper, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can taste to salt, and whatever according to your taste you can add the salt, and this is 1 spoon of coriander powder. That's all we need to make this dish. Okay, let's go see how to make this dish. Okay friends, my pot is getting hot, the stove is on and my pot is hot. I'm gonna put 2 to 3 spoons of cooking oil. Mine is canola oil. You can use any oil you use at your house. And then we're gonna use this, add this onions. And the pot is going too hot. I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit. We're gonna cook until it gets a little bit pinkish color. It changes the color, get transparent. We're not gonna make it like a brown. This is my son's favorite dish. It goes really good with the basmati rice, hot basmati rice with a little bit of desi ghee, homemade ghee. Oh, it tastes so good. Okay friends, our onions change the color. That's all we wanted. We do not want very brown. So now we're going to start adding all the spices in there. I have a green pepper, I'll add that. And garlic and ginger paste. Red pepper, coriander powder, salt, we'll fry for a few minutes, saute it for a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes. And you're going to put the ground beef in there. We add the ground meat in there. We're going to cook for a few minutes. And then we're going to add some tomatoes, 2 tomatoes. I forgot to show it in the ingredients. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes. Cover it. Cook the meat for a little while. Then we're going to add tomatoes. Okay friends, our ground meat is cooking for 10 minutes. It's almost done. So I'm going to add tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, 2 chopped tomatoes. And we are going to cook for until the tomatoes get softer. And then we're going to add spinach. Okay friends, I think our meat is done, so we're going to add spinach in there. See, the tomatoes is all cooked in there and the meat is cooked. So now we're going to add spinach slowly. It's a lot, but it's going to take some time to shrink. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm not adding any water because it's going to release its own water. So I'm just going to reduce the heat so it won't burn. Then it's going to start cooking and release a lot of water itself. Okay, we'll cover this and let it shrink, then we're going to stir it. Okay friends, I think it's shrinking. This went down. We can mix it now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mix it very well. Friends, if you're watching my channel for first time, please subscribe and share with your friends and family and watch the whole video. Do not skip the video because I give a lot of tips in the middle. So watch my whole video. So it looks yummy. Okay, we're gonna cook for a little longer again. We're gonna cover it and cook for a little longer again. Okay friends, our Kheema Palak is ready. So all the water is evaporated. It's ready to be served. So I'm going to remove it in the dish. Then I'm going to show it to you. Okay? So it's a dish. I'm going to remove it in my dish. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay friends. So yummy our Palak Kheema is ready. Spinach with the ground meat. Okay? Try it. If you like it, click like. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye.